Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing a clean file into FL Studio, use Edison or the playlist. Load the clip, set the project sample rate to match the audio, and trim silence at the front and end so conversion is tight. Once done, normalize to around -6 decibels so peaks don't confuse pitch detection. Make sure tempo is roughly correct. If not, tap the tempo in playlist. These steps reduce errors and give you a solid source for audio to MIDI extraction. Next, choose the right converter. Edison or Newtone works best for single-note lines, while Slice X or manual transient slicing is better for drums and percussion. In Edison, run detection via tools, then convert to score and export the MIDI. Adjust detection thresholds to avoid splitting sustained notes. Lower sensitivity if you see many tiny notes. Once MIDI is created, drag it to the piano roll, then quantize and correct any octaves or timing errors. Finally, map the MIDI to your chosen instruments and refine expression with velocity and CC automation. Make sure note lengths match the original feel. For polyphonic recordings, use Melodyne or Convert stems separately, then layer the MIDI tracks. Once you've corrected octaves and tightened timing, bounce or render to check alignment. If things go wrong, rerun detection with different sensitivity or retune the audio. Often re-recording with less bleed and clearer articulation fixes persistent pitch errors. Try that before over-editing MIDI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.